this is Justin and I'm on my 60-day challenge trying to bring information and understanding and a little bit of knowledge throughout the solar industry, helping you guys that are installing as well as helping you guys that are buying solar, and just hopefully sharing a little bit of my experience in what I've been doing in solar, and then hopefully it'll help you guys in making decisions. Today we're going to really quickly talk about AC isolators. AC isolators are a really important part of the installation. We need to make sure, installers, this is for you, make sure that rating is high enough that it matches or beats. I would go for beating the breaker rating and also beating the rating of the outputs on the inverter. When we get the data sheets out, I think data sheets should be something we do as a separate subject, and pull some data sheets around and have a look at the different kind of amps that we can get off these things, the different parameters that they work within. But when we're specifying our AC isolator, we should definitely be making sure that if it's a 20-25 amp supply running to it, we've got to be up near the 30 amp mark, guys, or even bigger if we can, and making sure that it is AC rated. If we've got a hybrid inverter, that's a whole different kettle of fish. We're going to make sure that isolator can also not only take breaking AC current but DC current under fault. So when we're looking at specifying AC isolators, please get the highest spec you can. For you guys in procurement, it's a very tricky area to be looking at a quotation and know what you're getting on an AC isolator. Regarding corporate, like multi-site install, as well as when you're getting sites installed with a larger AC isolator. What I'd be making sure is when you're looking at it that it's a make or a brand that is of reputable make and model and manufacturer. You want to check that manufacturer is going to be around if ever that has to get replaced. These terminals, and inside them you want some good solid terminals inside to be connecting to. Checking that the torque settings are right within an AC isolator. I know that's a little bit anal. I know that you AC Sparkies, as amazing as most of you guys are, some of you don't carry the torque wrench settings and the torque screwdrivers, but I know some of you guys in the solar industry do. I've bumped into you guys and seen some of your incredible work. So we know what's out there, we know what's going off. It'd be really helpful that the clients knew that they were being looked after in that respect, with markers being put on stuff, with photos being taken, those torque settings on there as well, as well as making sure that the ratings are high enough. If ever the inverters get swapped out, that's something we've got to think about in future. And if ever the breakers get swapped out to uprate them from a B to a C, just making sure that can also be broken safely by the inverter. If somebody upgrades the panels and takes the inverter right up to its highest capacity, can that AC isolator still do what it says it's going to do on the tin? Obviously we don't like using the AC isolator as emergency isolation, but it is. It's just one of those things that sometimes if that inverter is going wild and crazy, it has to get used. And sometimes a little bit of DC does get through those inverters, no matter how safe and how well and how quick they're set up. So yeah, really quick one there today on AC isolators in your systems. Get them designed right, get them spec'd right, and communicate to client the values of spending that little bit more money on getting some decent AC isolators on a system. Thank you for your time.